Hey, I'm so glad you picked up. I meant to get back to you earlier, but I completely forgot. Can you hear me? What? You need to speak up. No, you're breaking up. Hold on. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. This is Ashley with Level Up English, and today we are looking at phrasal verbs that pop up when you are using the phone. Now, as you saw at the beginning, I gave you an example of a conversation on the phone that could take place between two friends or even two colleagues. We have a person who's returning a phone call to someone. She forgot to phone this person, and while she is returning the call, she runs into some connection problems. Today I am going to explain 10 phrasal verbs that are used for phone calls in under 5 minutes. Hit that subscribe button and let's learn English. Number 1, to pick up. This means to answer your phone. So simple. If you answer a call, you literally pick up your phone. That's it. In a sentence, we can say, "Sorry, I didn't pick up earlier. I was having a shower." Number 2, to call up. This means to call someone. It's usually used if you are talking to someone about calling someone else, and it is a separable phrasal verb. So we can say, "I'm going to call up the doctor and make an appointment," or "I need to call up Sarah to get the details on the report." Number 3, to call back. This means to return a phone call. So if you phoned me and I said, "Hey, I'll call you back later," this means that I will return your call later. Maybe I was busy with someone or driving and unable to chat on the phone. Number 4, to get through. It's a good one and it's very popular. It's a way of saying you managed to establish a telephone connection with someone. Example, "I've been trying to call her, but I haven't been able to get through." Number 5, to hold on. If you watch American or British TV shows, you've probably heard of this one too. It can be used on the phone or even in person. It is a polite way of asking someone to please wait for a moment. Example, "Oh, you want to talk to Mr. Smith? Please hold on." Number 6, to cut off. I'm sure you've already guessed what this one means. It means to lose the phone connection with the other person. Example, "Sorry, I got cut off earlier. I was going through a tunnel." Number 7, to get back to someone. Just like call back, this phrasal verb means to call someone back at a later time. It's perfect to use if you are currently busy with something and can return a phone call in a short while. Example, "Sorry, I can't speak right now. Can I get back to you in an hour?" Number 8, to speak up. This means to speak louder. If you are on a phone call or even in a virtual meeting and cannot hear the other person clearly, you can say, "Sorry, I can't hear you very clearly. Could you speak up?" Could you speak up equals could you speak louder. Number 9, to break up. In the context of phone calls, it means that you have a bad connection with someone. Maybe you can hear a static sound or you just can't hear them clearly. Example, "I'm sorry, I can't hear you, you're breaking up. Could you say that again?" And finally, our last phrasal verb for our lesson today is number 10, to hang up. And this means to end a phone call, but it's often done abruptly. It's very basic and just refers to ending the phone call. Example, "I just need to ask you one more question before we hang up." Or, "I can talk for 5 minutes and then I need to hang up." So simple. And that's it, guys. Today we looked at 10 phrasal verbs for the phone. If you enjoyed this lesson, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your time today, and this is Ashley with Level Up English signing out. See you next time.